Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola G50, and today I will show you how to boot the device into safe mode. So to get started, hold the power key, and once you see your boot options right here, you want to hold power off. This will in turn bring up this window, reboot to safe mode. Confirm it by tapping on OK, and simply wait for the device to boot back up. And as you can see, we are now back in Android, but this time around you can see that there is a little marking at the bottom, safe mode. This will stay in here as long as we are in this mode. And obviously in this mode you have some drawbacks. As you can see, things like widgets don't work. And additionally, if you would have any kind of applications installed from Play Store or any other means, those applications cannot start at all, neither by you nor themselves. And obviously this mode is intended for troubleshooting your device. That is the reason for them to not be able to start up. Any kind of other application that came pre-installed with the device will work just fine. So as you can see, I can open up anything here that we have installed already. Just the applications that are not installed by default will not be able to start overall. And the way you can actually discern which application will start and which one will not is when you go into your app tray, apps that cannot start will be monochrome instead of just looking normally as they do in normal mode. So yeah. Now anyway, once you're done with this mode, to leave it, all you need to do is hold power key and select restart, and once the device boots back up, it will be back in the normal mode. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.